Okay, now question number 5 says Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account. Okay, so how much Mohan has deposited in his bank account? Rupees 2000, and withdraws rupees 1642 from it. How much amount he withdraw from his bank? Rupees 1642 from it the next day. Okay, so he deposit 2000 in his bank account and he withdraws 1642. Now the question says, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So we understood that if the withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, it means then the amount deposit will be represented by a positive integer. Okay, now what we have to find out, the next thing, find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal. Okay, so he deposits this much, he withdraws this much, so how much amount is left in his account? Okay, now what I have written, since withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, therefore deposit of amount from the account is represented by a positive integer. We have to write like this. Okay, now total amount deposited by Mohan in his bank account. How much amount he has deposited? Rupees 2000. So we will write rupees 2000. Okay, now total amount withdrawn by Mohan from his bank account. How much amount he has withdrawn from his account is 1642. So we will write rupees 1642. Now we have written something. Withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer and deposit of amount from the account is represented by a positive integer. So he has deposited this amount, so it become plus 2000 and this will become minus 1642. Okay, now balance left in Mohan's account equals to amount deposited minus amount withdrawn. Okay, now amount deposit was rupees 2000 minus amount withdrawn is rupees 1642. So we will minus 2000 minus 1642. We'll take carry, this will become 9, this will become 9, this will become 1. 10 minus 8, 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get rupees 358. So how much amount is left in his account is rupees 358. Okay, the amount left in his account is rupees 358. Student, don't get confused with why I have written plus and minus sign. This is just for the representation. What we have to do simple in this question is we have to minus the deposit with the withdrawn amount to get how much balance is left in his account. Okay, thank you and have a great day.